Greetings, CastHeads. This is about the 10th take of this video. That's because there's just so much collateral noise that's coming in from all over the place. Unfortunately, we haven't got our studio yet. But a quick update about what's happening in the world of CastHeads magazine, right here from CastHeads SQ1. Really apologize about that. It seems a little unprofessional, but what to do? Unfortunately, we don't have a studio yet. But the good news is we are working on a brand new program with a studio to come to you from CastHeads magazine. It's going to be on our YouTube channel, which is going to hopefully drop very soon, because we've got some really interesting stuff to show you guys. We've signed up with now 15 brands of car model makers from around the world in all different scales and sizes. So we're going to have lots and lots of great content for you guys in the near future. Also, don't forget the new issue is coming up, and we're celebrating a famous moment in motorsport history. A movie about it is coming out soon, and we thought we'll line up our magazine in line with that. Again, we've had some great response from model car manufacturers and makers. We'd like to give a big shout out to Ford, because Ford very kindly gave us access to their media library, so we've got some really cool, amazing pictures from them. Also, we're going to be doing the Christmas gift guide, and as you may have noticed, we've had lots of packages coming over the last month into the CastHeads head office. That it really is full of cars to show you guys in our gift guide. Also, what we've been doing is we've got a box here, and we have been squirreling away quite a bit of stuff. Whoa, to give you guys. That's right. Just lost track of where the lens was, also looking somewhere else. But yeah, we've got a whole bunch of stuff to give you guys from our fantastic suppliers and friends at all these companies. So there'll be loads about that later on. Here's the deal though: if you want to win any of this stuff, you've got to read the magazine, and you've got to sign up to our Facebook page, our Instagram page, our Twitter account, and our YouTube channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, because we are going to be a little naughty in our giveaways. We're going to spread it across, and we want all you guys, this is from everybody around the world, to have a chance of winning the stuff that we've got. And the thing is, that box is really too small to show everything that we've got. One of the grand prizes that we're going to be giving away is this beautiful 1/18 scale Mini Cooper from Solido. So you're going to have opening parts. It's done to scale. Look at that. And trust me, the camera does not do justice with the reflection of the beautiful British racing green paint job that you got on this. So we're going to be giving this and another 1/18 scale away, but we wanted to show this to you guys because we know how much you guys are going to be slurping on this. So get to our Facebook page, sign up. Get to our Instagram page, sign up. Come on, we've got we know how many of you guys out there watching us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Twitter account, and you may have a chance to win this or a whole bunch of other goodies that we have for as many people as we can give away. And as we get more stuff, we are squirreling away more stuff. So like I said, 2 1/18 scales, a whole bunch of 164s. We've even got a fantastic Harry Potter complete set, figurine set to give away in die cast, and Jada Toys have done a fantastic job on that. So guys, sign up, get your friends. It is the season of giving, so we're going to be giving, and tell your friends about it. Get more of your friends involved. You guys are connected all over the place. Get more CastHeads on board, because the more the merrier, isn't that so? So that's it for updates. We've got giveaways, we've got magazines coming out, we've got a new program on YouTube that will be coming out soon. We'd like to give a shout out to all our 15 new tie-ups with brands. You'll be seeing a post about that from us very soon as well, once we get some confirmation on a few things. But by and large, we've got a whole bunch of great brands with us. You guys would have seen the packages coming in. Today, of course, we're going to do a bit of an unboxing, and that is going to be on some new stuff from TARMAC WORKS. So I'm going to put this stuff away. I need to put this safely away, safe and sound, and when we come back, we're going to do an unboxing. So hang on for that. And unfortunately, Big Bertha is not available. Lance has been busy, so I basically have to do my own camera work. So this is me, Nigel, signing off for the moment. We'll set up the TARMAC WORKS unboxing. There you go. Someone's horning in the background. The new program will have a proper studio. Till then, bear with us. But you know, CastHeads, keeping it real. Right, so we are back, and once again, just to let you know, we're going to be unboxing some TARMAC WORKS cars sent over by the brilliant guys at TARMAC WORKS. And the first thing that we want to have a look at is this fantastic 1971 Nissan Skyline 2000 GTR. It's a collaboration with Greenlight Collectibles, and one thing that's cool, apart from the fact that the police car actually comes with a 1/64 scale figure, is the fact that TARMAC WORKS and Greenlight, especially Greenlight, have now a new type of packaging which allows you to reopen your clamshell package or reseal it with however way you want it without too much effort. Of course, there's a bit of a plastic this thing here, but there you go. So if you want to reseal your packaging after enjoying your car, you can totally do it now with the new packaging from Greenlight. So there you go, we pulled out TARMAC WORKS, put that aside. Let's get this out, and there we go. Nice cop car. Now this is absolutely fantastic. Here we go, have a closer look at it. So cool. Does it have opening parts? It usually Greenlight's parts are opening. I have a strong feeling. Yep, it looks like the engine bonnet does open. Of course, this is looking rather. There we go. Engine bits. I don't think we're looking at opening doors. There you go, the Nissan Skyline GTR cop car. So awesome. Let's look at it. So there you go. It's the new police car by Skyline. The new Skyline police car from Greenlight and TARMAC WORKS. Nice weight as well. Really cool piece. Really cool piece. Excellent. Rolls fine as well. Okay, terrible whistling. Right? There's absolutely no complaints from us with this one. It'll make a nice, great piece for your collection. You can see the square lights, even the Nissan the Skyline badge at the back if you have really good eyesight. Thing is, you never really look at it this close all the time. The petrol cap, yeah, all these nice little details. Of course, this light does look a little flimsy, and I'm not going to attempt trying to take it off, but yeah, you guys have to be careful about that. Let's move that outside of the way, and there we go. Park it there. The Popo 5050. Right, now let's get down to some serious TARMAC WORKS stuff, and let's start with this beautiful Subaru WRX STI. Love this cool grey. Looks a little blue, but yeah, it's supposed to be cool grey. Changing the lighting a bit. There you go. Let's crank this one open. And I love the new backgrounds that TARMAC WORKS is using in the back of their boxes. It's really cool. Keep asking them though if they can make it so they can be put in the box, then you can stack the boxes up nicely without having to have the sleeves on. Nothing like opening up a new TARMAC WORKS. Of course, you can feel a limited edition card inside. There you go. So, limited edition. That is quite cool. I wonder if you can cut it out and put it in the box. Something to think about later on. Let's look at the rear. This thing, we do love the new bases from TARMAC WORKS. The new bases are pretty cool, giving that road effect. And this, I think, is from their carbon fiber series, if I'm not mistaken, because that hood looks carbon fiber. Let's crack this open and take a better look at it. There you go. Nice. Badging is spot on. Look at that. Okay, Okay, so there are a few imperfections. I don't know if this is because it's a sample model. You know, small imperfection there and there. But then again, you know, this is looking at it under like severe scrutiny. Once I put this up on the shelf, you know, I do like the molding work. I do like everything about this. Definitely, if you're a Subi fan, you know, and what I like about the fact about these Subarus is, you know, everybody's got Honda Civics and Hondas. To be honest, I personally am quite tired of the Honda phenomenon. I in fact think that's one of the few cars that I collect now. But I really like the Subaru STI. Could do with a nice wheel upgrade also. Fortunately, TARMAC WORKS has wheel upgrades as well. And also they've really solidified their side mirrors as before, as opposed to before, which were really flimsy. And even the side mirror, you can see the indicator. It's really cool. I like that. But to be honest, this next one is one of my favorites. I've always been wanting to get my hands on one of these. This is the Mercedes AMG GT3 with that black and then Mercedes badging on painting on the top. I love that. This also came in a 3-car set some time ago. Unfortunately, I couldn't afford the 3-car set. Really have to get our hands on this. Try and make it quick because we've been trying to keep our videos under 10 minutes, but you know, there's always so much to look and see. So there you go. That's the sleeve at the back. Again, love the inside sleeve. Looking really cool over there. Eduardo Mortara connection. Oh yeah, that's a sweet ride. I'm a huge fan of TARMAC WORKS. There we go, a signature signed Eduardo. I love the AMGs from TARMAC WORKS. They really do a classy job on these, and this is absolutely nothing less than brilliant. The Pirelli P0 tires. It's one of their best molds. Really nice stuff. I got quite a few AMGs from TARMAC WORKS, and if you're like me, a big fan of TARMAC WORKS AMGs, this is one for the collection. But then again, I always say this about TARMAC WORKS, and it's not because, you know, of anything else, but other than the fact that I really like what they do with their models, and it's always nice to collect 160 cars in this racing livery style that TARMAC WORKS has stuck to. It's absolutely fantastic when you put them up in your collection and you look at them in one go and you have all these racing cars on your shelf. Perfect stuff. I hope TARMAC WORKS keeps doing what they do. They can only get better, and personally I will always keep picking up these guys whenever I have the chance to. Really nice, really happy with that Mercedes. Definitely something I want to be putting on my shelf along with my Mercedes series. And then again, since we're on the subjects of German cars, no one can take their eyes off this beautiful M6 GT3 Super GT Taiwan exclusive BMW. Again, another great classic, and I can't wait to get this out of the box because it's got the Autobacks livery, and I just love this bright orange. And again, if you're into collecting racing cars with racing liveries, TARMAC WORKS has quite a good collection. There are other brands, yes, but you know, can't keep buying everything really, so I'm just gonna stick with TARMAC WORKS like you guys. There you go, the sleeve is out, and just look at that. Of course, again, I wonder if this is a sample problem, because we've got sample products. Wheel doesn't sit right there, and might have to take it apart and look at it properly, but man, just look at that color and design and livery. Absolutely spanking. I really like what the Tarmac Work guys do, and the fact that these are all handmade and put together by hand. I give great credit to the guys who do that. Look at that. It's a fantastic paint job. Gray on the back there with the orange. And these cars are starting to feel way more solid. Just really liking this. So these are available on the Tarmac Works website, tarmacworks.com. You can buy them and have them shipped to you. I'll be really happy with these in my collection. Right, so these go on the Tarmac Works shelf. That is it from us. We hope you guys enjoyed our little unboxing and the latest news. Like I said, stay locked on and sign up to subscribe to all our channels, because you never know, you could be walking away with some really awesome prizes this coming Christmas. So that's it from CastHeads. We'll be back soon with more. Keep it locked.